After several failed attempts, I feel like I'm gonna leave it like this. It's really not bad. It's really not bad, right? But I think we're ready to go. I'm just gonna lotion my hands and we're gonna be good to go. You come in and say hi.
Hi.
Oh, sorry. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
I just say hi, everyone. Say hi, everyone. Everyone say hi.
Hi.
Okay, come close. So let's do a quick introduction. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Lillian. So in today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys around to shop with me, and because I'm looking for, what is it? What's that?
I want the wrap.
Okay, thumbs up. Okay, so you guys are gonna be, so today we're gonna be going shopping. We're going to different stores like Target, Ross, and JCPenney's, and yeah. But really quickly, you guys, if you've been looking for a channel that's going to ensure that your true self is being reflected in your home decor and lifestyle, then girl, this is the channel for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and down below and hit that thumbs up, you guys, and let's get into shopping. I think, where should we go first? Should we go to Target first? I don't know yet. Really quickly, you guys, before we even do anything, I want to show you guys what I got the other day. Okay, so I went to Homegoods. I've been honestly looking for, so the other day I was trying to drink tea in the house and I could not find any. I couldn't even find anything to drink the coffee or tea with. So I was just like, what's going on? So I had to quickly run to, you guessed it, Homegoods. So let me show you guys really quickly what I got. Okay, so I went ahead and I got this one, and I got this one for my husband. It was only $9. How cute is that? And it's blue. You know Shagun likes blue. And then I went to my friend's house one of this over the weekend. Last weekend I went to my friend's house and I saw this coffee insulated jug, whatever you want to call it. And I really liked it. And then I found it at Homegoods. I'm like, how cool. So yeah, I like that. And I got this mason jar. Let me see. It's kind of the light. It's kind of too much. And then I got this mason jar. You can tell I already started using it. I got 3 of this mug, by the way. So I got 3 of this jug, right? Jug. So I got 3 of this cup, by the way. And I got 2 of this one. So yeah, that was like my little haul. Oh, what am I saying? And you know, and you guys know I told you guys that I was decorating our guest room. So I did get a couple of things from Homegoods that I'll be showing you later. It's upstairs and I really don't want to climb upstairs. But I'll show you guys later. That's cute. I like this one. Cute little books.
middle.
Oh wow, this is so nice. $7. See how cute this is? So I'm looking for ours for the other room, and I think that Ross doesn't have what I'm looking for. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Not really like anything here. Not. I did find this. I think that I can do a little DIY with this stuff, like put a mirror in the circles of it. I think it would be nice, but I'm not sure yet. Or even put a mirror behind it, like those $1 mirrors. So we'll see how this works. And it's like only $24, so that's not bad at all. I'll see what I can do with this. This is so cute. I like. But then this looks so cute with the. This would look so cute with the desk I got the other day. Oh, so cute. $79. This stuff is back again. It's just so expensive. How much is it again?
It's $200.
Ooh. Scary. But it's so nice though. I think it looks so cute.
It does. The blue plant inside.
Yes.
Something like.
I would have to like repaint it though. I'm not really a gold person. But the color is beautiful. Last time. Alright guys, we just came back from shopping and I got the vase that I was looking at that was in the cart. You guys, that vase was such a cute addition to the. So you know, I told you guys I've been looking for a vase that's really nice that would be big enough for the entryway, kind of the console table. I'll show you guys in a little bit. And I found it. So last time when I found this console table, last time when I found this vase at Homegoods, I was kind of hesitant. And I was like, and then I thought I was going to be able to find something that I really liked. But I wasn't able to. So I wasn't able to. So today when I saw this vase again, I'm like, okay, Lillian, you need to get it. And I did. So I'll show you guys the old one that I got earlier and now the new one. Let me show you guys. So this is the new one. I'll show you guys in a bit. How gorgeous is this stuff? So I think I'm gonna change the color. So like black, I don't know yet. So here, so I'm gonna start from this console table. I have like everything on the console table down here. So what is left, I'm gonna get some pampas grass, like of like a 6, maybe 4. How tall should I get it? So I'm gonna get pampas grass. I don't know how tall I should get it though. So I'm gonna get it on that area and put it in that gold vase. You guys, it came together. Now this is the old one. I just left it over here just because I was gonna spray paint this black. So do you see how small this was compared to the other one? Okay, oh, stuff is heavy. Oh, shout. So do you see how small that vase is compared to this one? So I definitely like, I like both, but I just wanted something bigger for this entryway because this is like a lot of space. And it's like that tiny vase there. But I think that gold one makes such a statement. So you guys let me know, which one do you like better? Do you like this big and bad gold one or the other cute and the other cute one? It looks more vintagey, kind of nice. What are you guys doing? Hi, Addie. Hi, Aiden. What do you want? 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 Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay. So you guys, ooh, how do I look? So you guys, yeah, that is that. I wasn't able to go to Target because we ran out of time, you know. So I wasn't able to go to Target because we ran out of time. My husband and kids were with me, so they were waiting for me in the car. So I had to like be punctual, you know. But other than that, we did good. I got what I really wanted. I wanted a vase. Oh. I got this as well. Let me show you guys. So I got this painting. This has the color palette of the guest room that I'm decorating. So this is so perfect. So like every once in a while, so when you're decorating, sometimes it's good to have that one art that has all the color palette that you're going for to pull from. So this is perfect. This was on clearance for $20. I got it for $20. Yep.